Today we'll have a look at this screwdriver I got from my grandpa quite a few years ago. It's a very old one. It's quite special because it's really long, and I often find myself having to screw in something that's really deep down something, or really in somewhat difficult position. But yeah, first part here is taking it apart. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. It's kind of rusted in here, which doesn't happen to brass. I've never seen this before. Yeah, usually brass all the way through. See, it has this connection here on the inside. Looks like a coating, or like a plating. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the flattening here. As you can see, there's some hollow spots and stuff, but I think that'll look pretty neat. We're gonna add some interesting features to it. Like it doesn't stick very well to the MDF, but it sticks really well to the Teflon, which is quite good. I think I might tape the outside seams, catch any leaks if something happens. So this is going to be the first pour, and then we'll probably do another one, because this one doesn't fully cover the handle, so there's going to be some exposed corner over there. I had a bit of a mishap with the vacuum pump. I was too focused on the filming and getting it in focus and everything, so I forgot to look how high the epoxy came, and it kind of flew over the cup, and I had to abort mission and clean up. It's a fast curing epoxy, so it's going to be interesting to see how fast it actually cures, and if it'll go into a thermic reaction and kind of not be as pretty. But I think it'll be fine actually. It doesn't seem to be going off too quick here. $120. As you can see, the foam held up pretty well. I'm happy about that. No leak. I think this is from something else. We did have some thermal reaction here, so I'm interested to see how the part looks inside. But let's take it apart and see what we're dealing with. You can see we have some pretty big holes here. This is from the thermal reaction. Did mess up a little bit here, went a bit too far with the bandsaw into the wood. I think as I kind of messed this one up a bit, I might be doing a new one. Alright, so here's the finished product. I had quite a bit of bumps along the road, but I'm pretty happy with it now. So I started out with the handle that I was gonna epoxy cast to get rid of all the hollow spots, but it didn't work out. There was multiple reasons for that. I didn't have the proper epoxy, as I cured too fast and started a thermal reaction. After that, I decided to go for the lathe option, and this is what you're looking at, the ebonized oak handle. It's very simple, very straightforward. Brass fitting in the front. It all turned out pretty well, I think. I decided in the end not to harden the tip, because this will only be used for fasten a hardware to cabinetry, so I'll take good care of it. And I didn't really properly know how to do it, so I have to look that up. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, if you do, let me know.